Welcome to Module 12 of the B.Tech Artificial Intelligence and Big Data Master Textbook. In this video, we will explore the critical domains of Generative AI, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and LLMOps. We begin by contextualizing the Generative AI frontier. This field has evolved through four key phases, starting from foundational data architecture, through distributed processing and neural architectures, arriving at the current focus on large language models and transformers. Moving models from a lab environment to production presents significant challenges. Lab models are often isolated and unpredictable, leading to issues like factual hallucinations and a lack of access to private, real-world data. We need robust, governed services for reliable production deployment. This is where Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, becomes essential. RAG bridges the gap by connecting AI models to live, external databases. This grounds the AI in factual truth and helps prevent data hallucinations. The RAG architecture flow is straightforward. It begins with a user prompt, followed by a search within a vector database, such as Pinecone or Milvus, for relevant information. This context is then injected into the process before the large language model generates a final response. A practical industry example is Morgan Stanley's use of RAG. By allowing financial advisors to query proprietary, verified research, the system provides AI-cited, evidence-based answers, effectively eliminating hallucinations in a secure environment. LLMOps focuses on managing the entire model lifecycle. It requires rigorous software engineering practices to handle model versioning, continuous monitoring, and the ongoing cycles of refining and deploying models in production. To ensure safety, we employ reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. This technique aligns model outputs with human values by applying strict guardrails, ensuring that the AI behaves appropriately within production settings. We can mathematically measure the quality of a model using Perplexity. Perplexity serves as a confidence metric, where a lower score indicates that the model is more confident in the sequences of words it generates. Large models require immense memory, so we utilize optimization layers. Techniques like quantization reduce parameter size to save memory, while LoRA, or low-rank adaptation, enables parameter-efficient fine-tuning for specialized tasks. Effective prompting requires an understanding of constraints. We manage context windows to control memory limits, adjust temperature for randomness, and use chain-of-thought prompting to force models to reveal their underlying reasoning steps. When deciding on a deployment strategy, consider the trade-offs. API-based models offer ease of use but involve variable costs and data privacy considerations, whereas self-hosted models offer complete data isolation and full control at a higher infrastructure cost. Let's review. How does RAG mitigate hallucinations? Why do vector databases enable retrieval? How does LoRA improve efficiency? And what is the role of RLHF guardrails? Reflect on these to solidify your understanding. Remember that AI is only as good as the data pipeline beneath it. From basic infrastructure to complex deep learning and generative AI, each layer of this architecture must be unified to create robust solutions. Thank you for joining this module. Mastery in this field requires continuous learning, so keep exploring and building the intelligence of tomorrow.